हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। और हम CBMT यूपी 1989 का बॉटनी का ही सेकेंड पार्ट शुरू कर देते हैं 51 से लेके 100 तक। तो बिना देरी के शुरू करते हैं। 51 51 द ओव्यूल इज इन्वर्टेड, द बॉडी ऑफ ओव्यूल इज पैरेलल to funicle on micropyle is near to hilum and in front of placenta is called। इसका ऑप्शन आपका सेकेंड होगा एनाटोपस। नेक्स्ट, द फर्स्ट few leaves after the cotyledon in the seedling of the Acacia are the pinnately compound, but the petioles of upper compound leaves at Pentinium and they have fewer pinnae. The adult plants only has the parallel winged leaves like the flattened petioles but without any pinnae. These observations lead us to the conclusion that इसका ऑप्शन है आपका 51। नेक्स्ट, द रिंग ऑफ vascular cambium in the dicotyledon stem in सेकेंड ऑप्शन होगा। नेक्स्ट, मिंडल crossed a pure white flowered receiving pea plant with a dominant pure red flowered plants. The first generation of hybrid from the cross should show। इसका ऑप्शन सेकेंड होगा ऑल रेड फ्लावर्ड प्लांट। नेक्स्ट, माइटोटिस डिफर फ्रॉम मियोसिस इन इसका ऑप्शन आपका होगा सेकेंड। नेक्स्ट, फिश वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग principle of heredity was not enunciated by Mendel। law of dominance। Next, which of the following is required both in the process of respiration as well as photosynthesis। फोर्थ ऑप्शन होगा। नेक्स्ट है distinct differences between a plant cell and the onion cell is due to the presence of second cell wall। Next, the intercellular structure separated the wall of two adjacent cells is medulla। Next, indicators plants which can be used in indicate atmospheric pollution by SO2 lichens like Asnia। Next, symbiotic association of algae with fungi are found in third lichens। sequence blue-green algae, crustose, lichens, folios, lichens, mosses, shrubs, dicotyledons tree represents phylogenetic trends. Next, in order to enable a chemical to serve as a genetic code, it essential that the chemical should be third, a compound of pyrimidines and purines. Next, which of the following elements is a components of the ferredoxin? Iron. Next, spores of the fern represents gametophytic stage. Next, milk is converted into curd by none of the above. Next, the mycelium is typically cynocytic in phycomycetes. According to Oswald Tippo, angiosperm are classified under phylum. First, next, the metal ion involved in the histometal regulation is potassium. Next, the vascular bundle in the stem of monocot are typically collateral. Next, the placentation in composite is basal. Next, a tissue whose living cell from the mechanical tissue of activate growing organs and whose cell wall show cellulosic unlignified thickening often at the comes of its cell is called collenchyma. Next, the process of double fertilization was discovered by Navashin. Next, the presence of Casparian strips in the characteristic feature of the cell of third endodermis. Next, which of the following changes would be the likely to make terrestrial life on this planet impossible? Second, change in atmospheric permitting all the solar radiation reaching the upper atmosphere to the penetrate to surface of the earth. Next, recent reports of acid rain in some industrial cities are due to the effect of atmospheric pollution by पहला excessive release of NO2 and SO2. Next, which of the following will comprise the most appropriate distinction of the prokaryotic cell to distinguish them from eukaryote cell? इसका ऑप्शन होगा आपका सेकेंड. नेक्स्ट, credit for the establishing the includes as a important biological entity to 78 का आपका होगा थर्ड रॉबर्ट ब्राउन। नेक्स्ट, synthesis of DNA take place by replication. Next, the organelles concerned with protein synthesis is, इसका आपका होगा राइबोसोम। नेक्स्ट, द टाइप ऑफ RNA especially responsible for the proper sequence of amino acid in protein synthesis is मैसेंजर RNA, जिसको mRNA भी कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट है द प्रेजेंस ऑफ DNA इन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड chromoplast support the hypothesis that, इसका आपका सेकंड ऑप्शन होगा। नेक्स्ट, द कॉमन इमीडिएट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी इन सेलुलर एक्टिविटी इज, थर्ड ATP। नेक्स्ट, इन साइकस द megasporia ovules are located on its megasporophyll, क्या होगा थर्ड। if the number of flagella in gametes of Eulothrix is, चौथा। नेक्स्ट, इन द आर्किगोनियम ऑफ ड्रायोप्टेरिस द नंबर ऑफ नेक कैनाल सेल, 1। नेक्स्ट, द girdle leaf traces in cycas go to leaves, first after making semicircle। Next, the leaves of Mimosa pudica drops down when touched due to, second। Next, in angiosperm the functional megaspore of linear treated is the, fourth from micropyle। Next, of the following the largest family is, compositae। Next, starch and cellulose are compound consisting of many units of simple sugars। Next, which of the following contributes most to transport of water from the ground to leaves of the tall tree, position of the water and the transpiration pulse। Next, the term biosphere is used for the zone of earth where life exists, आपका है चौथा। नेक्स्ट, the male gametophyte of cycas differ from that of an angiosperm, इसका ऑप्शन आपका है सेकेंड। cutting of two vegetative cells and the stalk cell is the producing in a pollen tube with the tube nucleus and 2 ciliated motile male gamete. Next, the insects captured by the insectivorous plant partially fulfill their requirement of nitrogen. Next, it is the theorized that extranuclear as well as nuclear material are concerned with the transmission of hereditary information because third, mitochondria and the chloroplast also contain DNA. Next, the term ecosystem was coined by Tansley. Next, in meiosis, chiasma formation occurs or takes place at pachytone. Next, cell elongation in intermodal region take place due to gibberellin. Next and the last, all fungi differ from algae. इस तरीके से हमारा ये बॉटनी का पेपर पूरा हो गया है। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट्स करें और ज़रूरतमंदों को शेयर भी करें। थैंक यू।